Hey guys, we're back in my grandma's garage with the Chamberlain, and today's video I'm just going to be showing you how badly this install was. From my point of view, I honestly don't think that this was the best install. This isn't really a great door to begin with. As you can see, it's cheap 18 gauge hinges. These are cheap, thin plastic and they don't go all the way over like I would recommend. Really not the best installation. Not the best door. This is an overhead door installed in 2001. The opener was put in 2014. The previous opener was a Genie chain glide. Okay, there's the arm. So the main reason why I think this is not a great install is because of this right here. There are no full-length supports on the track there, which honestly that is extremely recommended on a bigger door like this, a 16x7. So the same thing on the other side here, and with only one spring and these cheap plastic rollers, really not the best installation in the world. Wiring job also, garage door openers, you might point this out. I know the wiring job isn't that great on it. Belt's loose. The mounting on this, as you can see, they kind of overdid it a bit. They really don't need those two smaller pieces of angle. They just needed those 4 bigger ones. And I did get that one picture. I actually got sent this picture of this guy that had a Genie Silent Max, that he had 4 of those coming from the ceiling with two of those cross brackets, one up there and one up front, with 4 of those hanging straight down, and then 2 that were up by the opener that were angled that way, which it's like the worst way of mounting an opener. It's completely unnecessary. This has battery backup, which actually was installed. Probably can't see the light up there, but the battery is installed. The wall button on this is a bit loose. So, yeah, it's pretty loose. So, yeah. But I mean, the door runs, okay, so, And also, because of this door being unbalanced, the motor on this opener is also pretty loud for a machine like this that should be quiet. So, I'll go ahead and give this a couple runs for you. So yeah, you'll hear that actually is pretty loud, similar to my 8550 keypad, and it's snowing outside, so not gonna go out there. We got our big first snow of the winter. So yeah, without those supports on the track, it really is not as strong. So yeah, we'll bring it down with the keypad. Here, just get a better view. Yeah, I'll just show you how unbalanced this is. It's really heavy. I think I might. It's definitely not balanced. So I'm just gonna get this hooked up here. One more time with a close up. And that'll be it. Belt, rib side facing down and everything, so we'll bring it down and that'll be it. So yeah, there you go. Not really a bad opener, but the door's just not really the best installation I've seen, so just kind of wanted to show you guys that. So thanks for watching. Next video, let's see, probably might not be till around Christmas. I don't think I'm really going to be going anywhere, so if anything, there'll be a video in my garage, but not sure. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.